Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to delete the history in Outlook search. Let's go start. Press the Windows key and type in the Registry Editor, and click on Registry Editor into the search bar. Click on H key Current User. Then click Software. Scroll down and click on Microsoft. Please give a like and comment down below if it worked. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Scroll down. Then click Office. Then click 16.0 and click Outlook. Then click Profiles under Outlook. Click it. Select temp file and delete it. Click Delete History. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.